In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram highlight cover icons for free and how to make them look professional and beautiful in less than 5 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Coach Simona. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. A lot of you have asked me how I made my Instagram highlight cover icons. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And if you don't want to do them on your own, stay by the end of this video and download my free icon set. Now let's jump right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing that you need to do is go to canva.com. Now click on custom dimensions. The dimensions that we're going to need are 1080 by 1920. Now you can change the background to the color that you're going to use in your Instagram account. In this case, I'm going to choose something that is going to be applicable to many businesses. Many businesses use the color blue, so today we're going to check our background and make it bluish. Now go to Elements, then click on Icons. And as you can see, there are a bunch of icons that you can choose from. For example, I'm going to choose this microphone because I have a podcast and many of you probably have podcasts too. Now click on the color of the microphone and as you can see, you can change it. In this case, I'm going to make it white. Okay, now that we're ready, we're going to click here and copy this page. You can delete the picture from the first one and now choose another one. Another icon that you can choose is something that represents blog, for example. So I'm going to type in here blog icon and now I'm going to choose something that represents my blog. In this case, I'm going to go with this one. Okay, now we're going to repeat the process and change the color of the icon. I'm gonna make it white as well. Okay. Let's go to the next one. If you have a YouTube channel, I think this is a great icon to use. So we're gonna do the same here. Click on it and now change the colors. I want to make the outline white and the inside play button the same color as my background. Here we go. Now let's do the same thing for the next one. The next icon that I'm going to choose is the icon for location. Now, I want to find some business icons, things that represent my business, the services that I offer, etc. So in this case, I'm going to choose something that looks professional and that represents my business. One of the most common icons that businesses use is actually a briefcase. Let's make it a little bit smaller. You can position it wherever you like, because once we're on Instagram, it won't really matter. You can resize it, you can change the position of the icon, you can do whatever you want. Let's say you want to represent your business with a computer. So let's try out this icon. Again, we're going to position it and we're going to change the color to white. Now, I want to make 2 more icons for you guys. The 7th one is for all the travelers out there. Again, we repeat the process and make it white. And if you want to have a highlight icon for your personal things, I'm gonna choose this one. And again, I'm gonna make it white. Okay, that was the hard part. Now let's call it Instagram highlight cover icons. And click on download. Now choose them to be PNGs and wait for them to download. This is a zip file. Click on it. And here are your icons. If you want to download the cover icon set for free, just click the link in the description box below. And as an added bonus, I'm going to show you how to upload them on Instagram. Now go to your Instagram account and click to create a new story. As you can see, here are the icons. Let's choose this one, for example. Now what you're going to do is click on Highlight and add it to some of your highlights. For example, I'm going to add it to coaching. Now, what I'm going to do is actually click on Edit Highlight and choose to make it my cover. As you can see, you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller, whatever you want. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and don't forget to download your free cover icon set. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want me to make more tutorials like this one, please leave your suggestions in the comments below and I will talk to you in the next one. I love you guys. Bye!